Let's take a look at the maximum purchase price, or your best offer that you want to make on this particular property. How do we calculate this? First, we need to look at the after repair value, which we already estimated above in the value analysis is $125,000. And then we'll look at our profit. As the EP defaults to the 20%, it's calculating that based on the after repair value, we're going to make $25,000 on this property. Now, this might have to negotiate up and down depending if you want to try to make this deal. Perhaps says, well, maybe that's not enough. I really want 25%. So we'll calculate that for you. Or maybe that's probably too much. I need to go down to 15% to make this deal work. You just go ahead in here and just change it accordingly. As you can see, as you lowered your profit, your maximum purchase price now went up to $73,750, where before it was $67,500. So I'm going to put it back to 20. I kind of like to try to stick within the 20%. And your soft cost, of course, it defaults to 10%. Same thing here. You could change this to 7. You can change it to higher. And you can see your profit amount, your maximum purchase price changes according to that. Now, I like to keep it at about 10%, but again, you can change yours higher or lower depending on your area. And then the last item is the repairs, which we already entered above in the value analysis, or what it's going to cost to fix up this particular property. So how do we arrive to this maximum purchase price? After repair value, minus your profit amount, minus your soft cost, minus your repairs, and you should really not pay above $67,500. Change the percentages according to your area and the profit that you want to make. And then if you get a different number here, you can go back above in the value analysis and change the purchase price that you want to make this offer for.